So that's Itoy, Mama McCrackhead's latest pup. That's the last one left from the litter. It's getting pretty big. He's still not completely trusting her. Hey, puppy. Itoy, come on. Itoy, come on. You leave my mom alone. Now Angel sees it.
Next step, please. Oh, you step on your shoelace.
You can do it. She's so proud. I'm so proud of myself. She wants to see the hero. Let's see the hero. No, the hero's like, no! Chasing the hero. Oh god, she's adorable, man. That'll keep you busy for the next 18 years. Down at Robinson's. And they have bonsai display. It's really cool. Alright, so I got the gate open because I'm doing some yard work. You know, keep the yard looking good. And of course what happens is strange animals just wander into the yard. Like, I have no idea who this guy is. He just came in. Angel's out gallivanting around the neighborhood. And who are you? Kitaka. Yeah, you better leave, pal. I don't know who you are. Stay away from my dog. Oh, here's Angel. Ooh. Okay. This is interesting. Let's see what's going on here. Angel? Who's that? A friend? Mm-hmm. Going behind the bushes. Sure. Alright. This guy's after Angel too. Uh-huh. I'm hip to you. Jeez. Back to work. Alright, our next question is a general question to the panel. What's the worst thing about all the foreigners living in Dumaguete? Yes, Huey. They smell like cheese. Okay, that's a good answer. Interesting answer. Yep, let's get a little support there for smelling like cheese.